Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. In the search pool you have to type iOS launcher. Take this application from the Lutin developer. There is the launcher iOS 13 beta. Click on it, tap install. Right now we can open this application. Accept the permission and click right here. Then we have to select our launcher. Of course we are going with the iOS launcher 13 and click always here. Tap on this notification that we got it, and right now it's loading all of the stuff that we have on our smartphone. And right now we can edit some widgets here, and to work this properly we have to grant the permission. So let's go here, click allow, and also do the same for the phone. And right now it is working, and that's how it looks. You can also edit some widgets, icons. And that's how we can get the iOS launcher on your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya guys.